Banyatai halor kimat boper ki bakta ke jelah berokawai. Hagani katayo ke Central Executive Committee jong ke sengsan Partai United Democratic Party kelasong jingelang hagasian ke benengkong nadu bakalayo yau presiden bertemai. Nalor kibede kikam jong ni keseng hagani ke jingelang letai ru halor ke jing persya ke Citizenship Amendment Act bat ke jing dawa ban pentrekam ya ke inline permit hagani ke jelah. Hadin beletai sanibha halor ki babun kimat belawan ra akan ke jingelang. Kasur jong ke UDP akan ke sengi kelarai ban persya abed ban pentrekam yang ke Citizenship Amendment Act arhajar kat kendai akan ke jela. Kaseng UDP kelpen pauru ke jing kemen halor ke jing pediang ke jing syari bah klik duk jong keri ke Supreme Court kebela pediang yang ke jing mudoi di babun persya ya ke sorkar pedeng halor ke Citizenship Amendment Act. Kajing elang ke Central Executive Committee jong UDP yang ke sengi kala pediang ru ekasur jong ke yang dorbar tauan ke jela haka kat kendai terik uno opera ke senam arajar kat kendai. Kaba menjur ke resolution bandawa na ke sorkar pedeng ban pentrai kamno ya ke inline permit ha Meghalaya. Sakawai pat kamat ke bakat duk ke belekeran hakan ke sengi kadai ru halor ke jing penkreak na ke bentak ke election MDC Shiteng Samoy Halangrin constituency.
You know, consequent to the CAA, when it was passed, it was a wake-up call for the entire people of the Northeast, for the states of the Northeast, and also for the people of the state of Meghalaya. We have woken up from our slumber, and we have to capitalize from the fact that since this has been set on the floor of Parliament by the Union Home Minister, the due consideration will be given to the Northeast, and exemption also has been made, although this issue is a common issue of the Northeast, but and although the centre's approach is fragmented, but I feel that we have to capitalize from here. This issue which we have been battling for the last 4 decades now, as far as the issue of illegal immigration is concerned and influx. So this is the right time for the state, to come up with something which is very concrete for the protection and safeguards of the indigenous people of the state of Meghalaya.
The CEC also endorsed the resolution adopted by the Meghalaya State Assembly unanimously on the 19th of December last year in respect of the implementation of the ILP in the state, the whole state.